Hi there, students. I believe you, but thousands wouldn't. Okay, this is a phrase to say that you don't have much faith in what the speaker says. You say you're going to pay me back the money tomorrow. I believe you. Thousands wouldn't. Okay, so I don't have much faith in it. You say you're going to do really well in your exam. Well, I believe you, but thousands wouldn't. You say you weren't out all night partying? Well, he believes you, but thousands wouldn't. Okay, so I'm saying, well, I'm not very convinced by this. Okay, it's a common phrase to be sarcastic, to say, come on, that won't wash. It's not really true, is it? Yeah, don't try to convince me of something that, well, is clearly not very believable. Yeah, he says he speaks perfect English. Well, I'll believe him, but thousands wouldn't. Okay, so it's a way of casting doubt on something, casting aspersions. Um, so yes, the student says, "I'm sorry, I didn't do my homework, but the dog ate my homework." Yeah, I believe you, but thousands wouldn't. I'm not going to do anything about you, but really, I don't believe what you've said. Okay, so it's an informal way of saying that I don't really have very much faith in what you've just said. It's just really not very believable. Yeah, based on your past form or my experience. Well, I'll let it go. Yeah, it's a way of saying I think you're lying, but without being too aggressive. I think this phrase is particularly British. I'm not sure the Americans you would use this phrase. Yeah. Um, yeah, that lady and I, we're just friends. I believe you, but thousands wouldn't. I don't believe it for a minute. Yeah. I'm pretty sure this just isn't true. Okay, I think as to formality, I think I would give this 3.5 to 4 in formality. Use it in an informal conversation. You could use it in a semi-formal conversation, but I wouldn't use this in a writing. Okay, yeah, the candidate promises to make all our lives much better. Yeah. So I believe him, but thousands wouldn't. Yeah, he's lying again. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. I believe you, but thousands wouldn't.